Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. Right? They have one point in common. That is question number A. Right? We are doing here. Now rough diagrams such that only we get one point in common. If we draw angles like this, that is, this is point A, this is O, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. Right? In angle AOB, in angle AOB and angle COD, in angle AOB, in angle AOB and angle COD, in angle AOB and angle COD, find that only one point is common, that is O. O is the common point. O is only one point common. One point O is common. Therefore, in this case, we see that only O is only one point in common, right? That is angle AOB and in angle COD only O is the common point, right? That means only one point in common. Now question number B. 2 points in common. We have to figure 2 points in common, right? This is one side, this is one side, and this is one side. This is another side, right? We put it here A, we give here O, it is B point and it is C point. In angle AOB and angle BOC, angle BOC, there are 2 points in common. That is O point is common and B point is also common, right? O and B are common points. O and B are common points. Common points. Here 2 points are common, that is O and B points are common, right? Now see 3 points in common. Now we do this next question, that is C 3 points in common. We'll give the example of same thing, same diagram, that is this one, and another is this one, right? Therefore it is A, it is O, it is B point and C point, right? We are getting 2 points common, OB. We take another point here, we will take another point here, that is D point, right? Therefore in angle AOB and angle BOC, 3 points are common, that is O, D, B are common. Therefore, here we get 3 points in common. Now, question number D, 4 points in common, right? Now, we'll do question number Question number D. Now in question number D, you will find 4 points in common. Question number D is question number D. 4 points in common, right? In the figure, this is on figure. This is another figure, right? That is capital A. This is O. This point is O. This is B. This is C. 4 points is common. You will see. Next, we will take another point, D point and E point, right? Therefore, in angle AOB, AOB and angle BOC, OD, E and B, there are 4 points, and B are common points, are common points, common points, right? Now question number E, one ray in common, one ray in common. One ray in common, that is question number D. Question number D is question number D, one ray in common, that is here we take a point, that is this is A, this is O, this is B and this is C. Here you see in angle AOB and angle BOC, OB ray is common, OB ray is common. You see this is OB, there are 4 rays, OA, OB and OC, and in angle AOB and angle BOC we see that OB ray is common. This is the solution of question number 3.